This video answers the search, how to buy shares of Remitly Global Inc., and provides a concise walkthrough. Remitly Global Inc. operates in digital remittances, trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RELY, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy a stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify the account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker RELY to locate the company listing. Confirm you select Remitly Global Inc. from the NASDAQ results so you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the recent price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ market, and ticker RELY to confirm it is the right asset. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a pending order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in the portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.